Just because you don't have somebody where you can get to the point here before you get to the point. That's the whole point of it.
Yeah.
Do your thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can come.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel datmisehtv. It's your girl Diza.
You know, I'm another prayer. Give thanks to life.
Yes guys, just an update really of what's happening with us, what's going on, and just a few things that we want to share with you
And you know,
in this video.
Anywhere we are going, we can't with it.
Exactly. We've got a few things to talk about, okay? We have a few things to talk about today. So, do you know what? I just want to start with saying thank you to somebody actually. A couple of videos, a couple of our previous videos, we had quite a few comments about the camera quality, you know, people saying that it was fuzzy, hazy. Some people said, please get a new camera, this, that, and the other. And so that's something that we are working on now. We've ordered a new camera. It's coming from abroad, so it's going to take a little bit of time before it reaches us, but we have ordered it. Soon. I want to say a thank you, big thank you to one of our subscribers who has been more than generous, more than kind to us, who read some of the comments about the quality of the camera and, you know, some of what people are saying, and she just sent us a donation and she said, put this towards buying a new camera. Like, yeah, honestly, to be honest, when I saw some of the comments, and I told the person this who sent the donation, when I saw some comments, my heart kind of sank, because I was like, oh boy, you know, the camera's not cheap. Honestly, camera's not cheap, and I kind of like, where are we supposed to find it to buy a new camera and all of this and that? But with the help of this very kind and generous person, we were able to make up and buy a camera. So thank you so much. You know who you are. I don't want to say your name because, you know, not everybody wants to be, you know,
good.
yeah, but thank you so much. I just want to publicly say thank you. You know who you are. Thank you so much, and thank you for all of your kindness and your generosity towards Outlaw and I, and towards supporting our channel. We really appreciate it.
Another prayer.
Yeah. So I wanted to get that out of the way. But we just want to talk to you about some things that are happening, some things that we've got going on, some things that we're planning. So guys, as you know, in June of this year, it was like a few months ago, right? We launched our datmisehtv, and that kicked off really well. And I just want to again say thank you for all the support from all of our viewers and subscribers, the people who have booked with us, the people who have told other people, word of mouth, all of that good stuff. Thank you so much. We're so grateful.
Blessings.
Yeah. But we just want to talk about and let you guys know about some other things that we've also been doing in the background that we haven't spoken about, we haven't advertised it, but we've been getting on with it.
Yeah.
And the reality is this: the tours business is a good business to get into. We know the state of everything now with you know, the big C. I can't even say the word again, but you know, with everything going on with that. So you know, we're not busy every day doing tours every single day. That's not how it works, you know.
No.
So when we do get bookings, we're grateful for them, and like I said, we are very grateful for all the bookings that we receive through you guys. But we are doing other things in the background that you guys don't always see or necessarily know about, and that's what we wanted to share today. So we started our business in June, datmisehtv. Just after we launched the business and started that, somebody reached out to us. Again, I'm not going to mention any names, but somebody reached out to us and said, look, I've got a piece of land at such and such a place. I'm not sure if this is what you do. I'm not sure if you'd even be willing to do this, but I'm not able to travel at the moment. I haven't seen the land in a while. Are you able to go to that piece of land and maybe video it, you know, do some recording, take some photos, see what the land is like? Is there any developments, anything being built around in that community? And at that time, it's not even something that we thought of, but straight away we're like, yeah, of course we'll do this.
Right,
of course we will. And so that's what we did. And it's so funny because after that, like I said, we haven't advertised this service, you know, we haven't done anything like that. We've just been getting on with it. But we have had quite a number of people get in contact with us, one away, you know, calling on the WhatsApp number, on the business WhatsApp number, sending DMs, sending Facebook messages, asking us for this service. So we have, yeah, so one of the jobs that we've been doing is looking at people's land. People who've got land here who can't come for whatever reason. So we've been looking at that, visiting, taking photos and things like that. Same with houses too. Checking the houses, checking the area and stuff like that.
Around.
Yeah, checking around. So we've been busy doing that for the past few months. Since about June we've been doing this. And most recently, again, somebody else came to us to look for land for them to buy. They're abroad, to look for land for them to buy. So we've been busy the last couple of weeks. Big up yourself, you know who you are, that subscriber.
Blessings.
Blessings, yeah, big blessings. And hope everything works out. Yeah, so we've been busy the last couple of weeks looking for land to buy for somebody abroad.
Yeah.
And so, like I said, we haven't really mentioned it, but why not? Why not mention it now, right?
People, we cover that like Google. Cover that like Google.
Yeah, so why not mention it now? So that's one of the services that we do offer as well. So if you're looking for land to buy, if you're looking for a house to buy, maybe you've seen something online on the internet. You're not here physically, maybe you can't get here physically, maybe you want us to check it out before you come or before you think about maybe purchasing. That's where we come in.
Right.
So wherever the land or the house in whatever part of the island is,
anywhere in Jamaica,
anywhere in the 14 parishes, we'll go. So if you've seen something online on the internet that you think, oh, this looks quite nice, I don't have anybody to look it or view it for me or to, you know, get in contact with us. We have been doing this since June.
Yeah.
We have been doing this since June, consistently. So I just want to let the rest of you guys out there know. Anything you look for a house, piece of land. It's one thing dealing with realtors, of course, but I think we're kind of filling a little gap for those of you who are abroad who can't necessarily come and look at the land or house for yourself.
Yeah, we cover the grounds.
Yeah, that's where we kind of come in.
Yeah, we
so
cover the grounds.
Yeah, we can give you like video footage,
Yes.
photos, talk to you about the land or the house, you know, let you know if there's anything,
Cover the grounds.
any things for concerns or, you know, all that kind of stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, let us know. We're also kind of like a go-between between you and the realtor as well. So oftentimes we can make contact with the realtor as first point of contact before you have to, you know. But also, what we're finding out as well, and this is something that we've learned in the last couple of weeks, right? Not everything is on the internet. Not every house or land for sale is on the internet. A lot of people are selling privately. Even a lot of realtors, they put up for sale signs on lots or in houses, and when you look online, it's not there. So that's another thing that we have been really busy doing, driving around in certain communities, in certain areas, and finding particular lots.
Yes.
And again, it can be done with houses as well.
No problem.
So if you're interested in land, purchasing land, or looking for land or a house,
look at the house for you,
and you want us to check it out, that's a service that we offer, paid service that we offer.
Right now it's going on.
Yes, so that's one of the things that we have been doing, like I said, since June. We haven't just started now, we've been doing this since June, but we've been doing it for a few months, and we just wanted to advertise our services to the rest of you, because not everybody knows that this is, you know, this is part of the service that we offer.
Yes, and people, the reason why we offer this service, to be frank, some of the time you go on the line and they give you an address where it is selling or whatever.
Oh yeah.
And that address is not great, that address is good. No. It is not that address that you see right here. That's not where the property is.
Yeah, definitely.
We have that problem.
Yeah, we found this out a couple of times.
And that's why we see where we're coming right here as a little thing where you don't have to do too much things to get to your point.
Yeah, too much.
We can cover that.
Too much research.
Yeah, show you exactly where it is, where it's from, how to reach there, and
the
whole
community,
thing.
how the community set up. Yeah.
We cover the whole of that.
Yeah.
To get assurance and where the lot is and what around the lot is all about.
Or even the house, if it's the house you're looking
whatever you need.
Yeah.
Yes, we can give you assurance on that.
Definitely. And
before you get to the point.
Yeah, he's right, and that's a really good point, because something we've learned as well in the last few weeks is that
we know none from pushing a bag in them. We know none from something.
We've learned that oftentimes a lot or a house will be advertised in a certain area in a good area as well. When you get there, it's nowhere near that area, or not even in that area. It's 5 miles up the road.
6 miles up the road.
Yeah, in a completely different
and if you want
community.
to see the place there.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, people. But we don't understand what I say. So, we don't have to do it.
Yeah, so we can kind of fill in that gap there and assist in that.
Cover the thing before you spend.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
If you're not, if you're not really can be there at the moment, we can cover that for you until you reach there.
Yeah.
Because more time, it work out better for you people to cause. them things go fast, quick.
Yeah.
Quick. You take 2 weeks to get to the point, and it's man going 1 week and get to the point.
Yeah.
And just because you don't have somebody where you can get to the point here before you get to the point. That's the whole point of it.
Yeah.
Do your thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can cover that.
And I think I'll also extend that to rentals, because I've had a couple of inquiries as well about people asking me if I can help them to find rentals. So they're abroad, they'll be out in Jamaica maybe for 6 months, a year, and they need somewhere.
Yeah.
And so I've had quite a few requests for that as well. So if you're looking for somewhere to rent as well, not necessarily just a holiday rental, because we do those too, or Airbnb, but if you're looking for somewhere on a more permanent basis, we can help with that as well.
Yeah.
So that's one thing that we wanted to let you know. And if you're interested in that, then obviously do reach out to us. Another thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is some of you may know, right, that I worked in education. I'm passionate about teaching. I'm passionate about education. And one of the questions that I get a lot, a lot, people in my DMs and people WhatsApping me is questions about teaching online. Now I know that when we first launched this channel, I did 3 or 4 videos about teaching online, but people are really reaching out to me for more in-depth knowledge about teaching online. And again, so this is a service, this is a new service, but this is something that I want to launch.
People should teach me a lot, face to face. She teach me a lot, face to face. So I know she's good online.
Yeah.
I'm going your business.
So it's really just to help people to secure online teaching jobs, okay? So it can be anything. It could be what to expect, how to ace the interview, but more importantly, I think it's about how to ace the mock lesson. And I know I've got a little bit online, but each online company works differently. I've worked for so many online companies, guys. Online teaching companies, he can tell you. I've worked for so many of them. And they all, even though they have their similarities, they all have slight differences, especially in the interviewing process. So to get a job as an online teacher, you have your face-to-face interview, of course, online, but you also have to do a mock lesson, a trial lesson. This is where a lot of people fall. This is where a lot of people tend to fail. And so I will be offering training. We can do the mock lesson together. I'll be showing you some of the tactics, some of the strategies, just to help you get through and pass your mock lesson as part of your interview for online teaching. So anything you want to know about online teaching, I'm offering that service, but I'm also offering one-to-one training on how to get the job, okay? How to pass and how to succeed at your mock lesson or your trial lesson or your demo lesson, as some people call it. So that's another thing as well that I'm going to be doing.
She good, sir.
Yeah. So that's just some of the things. That's 2 things, right? Guys, you know what? I was saying to Outlaw today, like my mind is always going. I'm always thinking about what can I do. And the thing is it's the things that I'm passionate about and the things that I enjoy doing. True. That I want to be able to spread and share with others.
True.
Right?
True. I always say it.
Yeah.
I always say that.
Yeah.
Yes.
And whilst it's a business, right? Let's keep it. It's a business, but it's things that things that I'm passionate about, and these are areas in what I want to do and how I want to help people.
And people need all this info.
Yeah,
to
definitely.
Get through life. Not
definitely.
everybody is alright. People need information to go through.
So true. And we know that now is like a digital era, especially now. People everybody's working online, and there are more opportunities online. So if I can be there to support or help somebody to, get an online teaching job. Guys, I've spoken about my story in online teaching. It was the best thing I did, especially being in Jamaica. The best thing for me.
People have a good thing what we are carrying now. It name work smarter, not harder.
Yeah, I said it.
I like something there?
Yeah.
She tell me that.
Yeah.
Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah.
I like something I run with it.
Yeah.
It's all work right now for
Yeah,
it.
definitely.
Yeah, so you can get involved and wish to get involved.
Yeah.
Do it, man.
Definitely. And we're not saying there's nothing wrong with grafting and there's nothing wrong with hard work, but we have this little motto for ourselves, which is to work smarter, not necessarily harder at our time of life. Yes. So if you're interested in that, do let me know as well. I've got some other things in the pipeline that I'm really these are things to do with education that I really want to push out there. I'm going to give you a little idea of one of the other things that I want to do. I'm not launching it just yet, but hopefully in a few months' time or in the future, I want to work with children. It's going to be online in the first instance because we know pandemic, everything was going on. So you know that I used to be in education, many of you. I was a reading specialist, phonics specialist, and I want to help young children, not just young children, it could be teenage children, it could even be adults, but reading, phonics, writing, everything related to reading, writing and phonics. So I want to offer some kind of tutoring services. So if you've got young children, if you've got grandchildren, nieces, nephews that need that extra help with their reading, then I'm looking to help. I'd love to help.
She good with children like that.
Yeah.
She good with children.
So that's something for the future, not right now, because we have to kind of solidify and get our other things a little bit more solid. But that's definitely something that I'm going to be working on, and hopefully in the next few months, maybe early next year, I can launch that and I can let you know about that as well.
I know we're good down here.
Yeah.
We're going to know everything what we're going.
Yeah. So people, we've got lots up here. Lots going on.
Things, man.
Yeah, lots of things going on. Lots of things going on. The channel, yeah.
We want to get to know yourself, man. We want to share to us already, but nothing wrong with that. Still have to make you understand what I'm about. And the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, alright. Yeah, I suggested it. Well, I know, tell a lie. Outlaw suggested this to me first. A couple of months ago. And today, because I tell you guys, my mind is always ticking, right? Today I was sitting there and I was thinking, I really want to come and talk to you, you know. I want to talk to the people, my viewers and subscribers. But the issues that I want to talk about, I'm not sure if it's fitting for this channel, because I think this channel and how this channel has been built, I don't know, it reflects our life in Jamaica.
Good. We
show you different parts of Jamaica, different things you can do. We take you along our journey, kind of everyday life.
We have put too many things on this channel.
Yes. So, and there's a reason. Some of the topics and things that we want to talk about, especially for myself, there are videos I want to make by myself, especially to the ladies, the women, and there are videos that Outlaw wants to do as well.
To the man then.
Yeah, and to everyone. And there's videos we want to do together.
Yes.
But I just don't think it's fitting for this channel. And I'm going to tell you why. We recently put a video out called about lockdown, where we sat and we spoke about the measures currently in place. And there were a couple of comments on there. One in particular really stood out to me. I didn't respond. I wasn't offended, but I'm going to tell you what the comment said along the lines of. The comment said something like this: I've subscribed to your channel, I love your channel, and you know, I've spread your channel to other people, and we appreciate that. We thank you for that. But the person was not happy that we chose to sit down and talk about things that were going on. I think the person felt like we were attacking the government, which we weren't. We didn't disrespect anybody, but look, things are going on in this country, like in other countries, that affect us, and we want to be free to be able to talk about the effects on decisions, how they affect us, okay, and how they affect other people. It's one thing, you know, to be able to show all the great stuff going on, and there's loads of great stuff, and we hope that we're a positive and uplifting channel. We show you all the great excursions and beautiful places and all the positivity in Jamaica. We are not here to spread negativity, but there are things happening that affect us, and we want to be able to share those experiences as well, because we're trying to be transparent, we're trying to be real, and I don't want to be airy-fairy, every day is a great day for us. Every day is not a good day for us.
And it affects you guys too.
It affects you guys too, and people that you know. It's not always great. And so we want to be able to feel free. And that comment was along the lines of, you know, don't start talking about these things. There are loads of other people out there talking about this. You don't need to do that. And it kind of dented my spirit a little, because I felt like I couldn't just be myself in that moment and be real. Like, if I can't be myself and I can't be real, and I'm always going to be respectful, then what's the point, kind of thing.
True.
So we kind of feel like, you know, I think the best thing is maybe to create a separate channel where we can just sit and talk about things.
Yes.
Sit and talk about things. Guys, let me tell you, I've been through so many things in my short time on this earth. And I just want to share some of them. Do you know what I mean? I just want to be a little bit more of an open book and share some of my experiences. Talk about different subjects. Talk about different things, you know?
Lot of things.
Yeah.
We have a whole heap of things to say.
Of course. So,
and we all have a whole heap of things to say.
Yeah, and like I said, we're not sure that this channel is maybe the best.
Yeah.
For that, and let's be real, not everybody's going to be interested, right? Not everybody wants to know about this or that, or you know, your past.
Yeah, so we're going to separate them.
So we're going to separate them. Yeah. One's going to be a little bit more of a serious kind of sit down and talk, and then we've got this one where we just bring you into everyday lives. Yeah, everyday lives.
Just the same way.
Exactly.
Yeah, but we just don't want to tie up everything together.
Exactly.
Yeah, we differentiate.
So guys, let us know what you think. Let us know what you think, because we're not going to just go ahead and do it if you guys think, you know, if you guys think that's not a good idea. So let us know what you think. Please do leave a comment. Please share your thoughts as well. So yeah, that's just a really short video.
Yeah.
Just giving you
Make you guys know what's going on.
what's going on.
Another thing go.
Yeah. So guys, so like I said, if you've got if you have land or you have a house out here already that you want us to check out for you, just to make sure everything's okay, we'll do that for you.
Yes.
If you're looking for a piece of land or a house on the island, you want us to go and check it out, you have somewhere in mind, we're going to check it out. If you want us to do the search for you, we'll do the search for you.
We got no problem, Bano.
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that for you. And again, anybody that's looking for an online teaching job, I'm offering that service as well, okay?
Yeah, my wife, she's very good like that. Very confident like that.
I'm going to put all the details on the screen of how you can get hold of us, how you can get in contact with us, if any of these services sound appealing to you or something that you are looking for. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I don't think there's anything else.
Yes.
Yeah.
So respect our manners.
That's it. That's it, guys. Watch out for videos to come. We've got a few things lined up, so watch out for that.
After this one, you see what's going on.
Yeah, we've got a few things lined up. Guys, thank you again. I can't stop saying thank you, right? Because without you, there's no us where the channel's concerned.
We understand. We understand
we thank
everything.
you. We appreciate you. We don't take anything for granted. And yeah, just thank you for the love and support. Definitely.
Guys,
I've got one more thing.
You remember something?
Guys, thank you. Thank you for the 5,000 subscribers. I know I put it on my community tab and I put it on my Instagram. Thank you for 5,000 subscribers. I know we're over that now, but we recently reached 5,000 subscribers. Thank you. We said, once we reach 5,000 subscribers, what we're going to do for the people. Remember?
Yeah.
Let's share it very quickly before we go.
A free pickup.
Yeah.
And drop her off.
Yeah.
From Montego Bay to anywhere in St. Dan.
Yeah.
And no, to Ochi.
So free pickup from Montego Bay Airport to free pickup from Montego Bay Airport, anywhere from Montego Bay to Ochi. So you might be going to Mo Bay, Trelawney, Discovery Bay, Ochi. We're going to do a free pickup. We're going to, I think in the next video, we're going to put a question. So we're going to put a question. The first person to answer the question correctly, we'll give you all the details, will win a free airport pickup from Mo Bay to Ochi or anywhere in between.
Yeah, from along the way from Mo Bay
and
to
that's,
Ochi.
Yeah, and that's just to celebrate 5,000 subscribers and to say thank you to you guys. So watch out for the question and watch out how you can win the free pickup. Yeah.
I tell you people, remember to do what you got to do there.
Yeah, I don't know, guys, I don't know what accent this is.
People, you remember to subscribe. You must
what accent
share.
is this?
You must share. You must like to subscribe.
Yes.
You must remember to watch the
ads.
Yeah,
and yes, definitely.
Yeah, we need a piece of the ad.
Yeah.
Remember, be cool.
So guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll keep you updated. Thank you guys. Take care. Stay safe. That was there.
Give thanks for life.
This one has got to be now. Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.